second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shenna and this is another vlog. It is Friday, what? Something.
20th.
What? Oh yeah, May 20th. And y'all see I'm one time mama. I think what I got, me and my oldest daughter, I think we got like 2 hours of sleep last night. But anyways, y'all, so I am getting ready to do her hair. I stayed up late sewing her hair in. Today is her 8th grade formal. We had to go get her nails, toes done, all that yesterday. So I sewed her in. So we finna get ready to start getting ready. But I finna say, so I'm just finna style her hair. She finna put on her dress and all of that. And so she can go enjoy herself at the 8th grade formal. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all her nails and all that in just a minute. I got to really get going because the formal started in about an hour. So we finna get her all dressed up, dolled up, and then we finna go.
Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like, kind of girl you like, Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like, kind of girl you like is right here with me. All of me. I just wanna be the girl you like, kind of girl you like, Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like, kind of girl you like is right here with me. Girl you like, girl you like. Girl you like is right here with me.
Get up.
Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like, kind of girl you like, Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like, kind of girl you like is right here with me. I'ma roll up the partition, please. I don't need you seeing Beyonce on her knees. Took 45 minutes to get all dressed up. We ain't even gonna make it to this club. Now my mascara running red lipstick smudge. Oh, he's so honey, yeah, he went too far. He fucked on my buttons and he ripped my blouse. He might have color whiskey all on my gown. Water daddy didn't bring the towel. Oh baby, be better slow it down. Took 45 minutes to get all dressed up. And we ain't even gonna make it to this club. Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like, kind of girl you like, Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like, kind of girl you like, Girl you like is right here with me. Girl you like, kind of girl you like, Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like, kind of girl you like is right here with me. Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like, kind of girl you like, Take all of me. I just wanna be the girl you like, kind of girl you like is right here with me.
Y'all, she looking beautiful. Turn around. Oh my goodness. Kai, you go that way. Scoot out some so you can see the bottom. Okay, right there. Now turn around. Oh, y'all, she is so pretty. And yes, I just won it.
Look at me, baby.
Okay, we're gonna put on her dress in a minute. Okay, y'all, so she used the restroom before I help her get into her dress. I actually got her 2 dresses. Y'all see how hot I am? I'm looking rough, she looking beautiful. That's how the life of a mama. As long as my babies are good, I'm good. But anyways, y'all, she actually got 2 dresses, and the dress that she wearing, it had a tag of $139, and I got it for $15 from half and half. If y'all haven't heard of half and half, y'all, it's like to where it be brand new department store items for like half the price, and then they have an insider's discount. Huh?
Help me get my
Keyboard. Hold on, mama. Go to messages or the settings. Go to settings and go to messages, I think. Y'all, and then Z, you see me recording, right? Told you wait till I get done with Kaya. Where do you type it? What you need to go to type? Like on here? Oh, you spot right here. Let's hit that.
Oh.
Okay, y'all. So she actually got 2 dresses. Her other dress was original price. I had to look it up. It didn't have the original tag on there. Somebody had took it out. The original price, y'all, was $600 and some. I have to show you. It's full of sequins and all of that. I ended up getting a dress. How much I got that dress for? $25. Y'all, when I say beautiful, I can actually fit that dress too. So we had 2 to choose from. This blue one I had to take to the tailor though. And she altered it, and I literally just picked it up right before I did her hair. So she haven't tried it on yet. But like I said, we got that backup dress just in case. These things still hot, and she in there taking her time, which is already past 6:30. But she is beautiful, y'all. I cannot believe. I feel accomplished. Y'all don't know how much I've been running around. We had to take down her braids. We was up last night, but the night before last, taking down her braids. And then she had, man, when I tell you her hair is so thick, she had like the thickest hair. Then last night, yesterday, after I got off of work and she got out of school, I took her. She went to get her lashes done, but we was pressed for time and they was taking too long. With the people ahead of her, so we left. She still have on lashes, and we ended up wanting to get her toes and nails done, and she wanted us real jazzed up. And I'm like, girl, this is the 8th grade formal, not the 12th grade prom. But y'all, she beautiful. She beautiful. And I was like, I was so worried all week. I didn't think her jewelry was gonna come in. It came in. Her shoes came in, and everything's coming together. So now we finna try to squeeze on this dress. Look at her. I was trying to like put a little something in my hair because I'm looking. See, she up there dancing. I stepped on the dog. But y'all, let me help her put this dress on. Look at me, I'm just hot. Let me help her put this dress on, and then we gonna come right back.
Got some shit for you to come and get. I'm at the same beach as some ride home, see me when you do your shit. Woo! I see you doing well, baby. Oh, you pulling shit together, I can tell, baby. Single or what? I need a girl from the country. I need a girl from Kentucky. I need a shawty from Houston. I need a girl who gon' love me. I need a girl who gon' trust me. Someone to fuck, someone to make me feel loved. Someone that's so proud to be with me.